when Bailey Gifford, one of the Tesla biggest investor, bought a sizable shares of Chinese Electrical. And I'm talking of shares worth $500 million of equity stake in NIO. You better know there is a paradigm shift in favor of NIO. Though this was in 2018. Well, you probably want to ask me, so, but this is 2020. However, you will be surprised to hear that others have followed in this trend. Welcome to my channel. It is a beautiful day. Another good news for NIO Auto. Sure, I'm good at bringing good news. Well, 2 or 3 years ago, some investors have speculated that NIO is the biggest threat to Tesla dominance, while some speculators have argued that NIO is no match to Tesla and could possibly not pose a challenge. Well, in my opinion, based on available data, NIO will not only catch up, but will surpasses Tesla in another 5 years. Okay, you are still thinking, how? Well, in that case, don't go away, stay with me. First, let me tell you about some key factors. I mean, what NIO management is doing differently from Tesla that is making NIO cars more competitive. NIO management understood the concept of users' need. That explains why NIO Auto was and is still being designed to meet specific users' needs. The NIO EV was specially designed to meet family needs. The feature is reflected in the exterior and the interior of the car. Listen to William Lee, the CEO of NIO.
Tesla, I always say the cars are designed in California for California. But in China, they might not fit users' demands. For example, the very cool Falcon Wing doors might not be suitable in rainy Chinese cities like Guangzhou, Shenzhen, or Shanghai. We, on the other hand, understand what our users need, and we have designed this car from the very beginning for Chinese families with children. You can see a lot of features that reflect that in the exterior, the interior, and the space inside. So I believe we have a better chance to offer the market a better product.
To compete with Tesla's...
Well, wait for more. And this will blow your mind. In November 2016, NIO unveiled a very stylish high-performance prototype EP9 with 1,360 horsepower, and the supercar matches the performance of top hybrid supercars like Le Ferrari and McLaren P1. This model belongs to sport car category, Formula 1 if you like. And then don't forget the NIO ES6 with the panoramic view. I love this car and I hope I could get a discount because it is a user-friendly car built for a couple. Besides, most of NIO cars are embedded with cloud computing system platform and then voice interaction technology if you like. And in the recent development, NIO have signed a contract with Mobile High to help develop the NIO Pilot, which boasts over 20 driver assistant features. So, who are the investors behind NIO Auto? Well, beside Bailey Gifford, we also have Tencent, who recently bought some shares. According to a report in September 2020, Tencent bought NIO shares worth of $1.68 million. $1.68 million, making Tencent total NIO stake to jump to 15.1%. And then, according to data, the recent data, the third fastest growing stock that Robinhood investors are buying is electric vehicle manufacturer NIO. Why? Because NIO compound annual growth, CAGR if you like, is expected to grow at 49%. Another key factor why NIO will remain competitive is because electric cars is the future. It's an industry with promising growth. A higher return. So investors are ready to pump as much money into the startup, particularly in China, meaning investors are creating a bigger opportunity for NIO Auto industry to remain competitive. And in effect, the action of all these investors, no doubt, is a paradigm shift in favor of the likes of NIO Auto. Well, the question I think you would like to ask is NIO responding to all these stimuli? The shares buying from stock investors, Chinese government incentive like subsidy for battery swap technology, and the cash injection from IFA government. Well, to answer this question, let us examine NIO price action. Well, what do we have here? We have the 50 moving average above the 200 moving average in an upward trend. And then looking at the candlestick, it's in an upward momentum. Everything lined up perfectly. And then you could see we have some resistance here before it breaks it. And this stock did consolidate for some time here. Well, from the look of things, the stock have actually broke the resistance and it's gone up 90% degree, parabolic if you like. Well, in my opinion, based on experience, this stock will relinquish some of its gain because it's too high, 90% degree. That's not really good. Stock does not move in this pattern. It moves in impulsive and corrective waves. As you can see, it retraces at a point, then go back again. Higher high if you like. Now, this is too high. This is expected. This will drop to say 22 thereabout, and then if you can break the resistance level again, then you're going to continue the upward trend. So in my opinion, and based on the creative and innovative strategy embedded in the structure and management of NIO Auto, they will remain competitive. That said, the management of NIO should know and put in place measures, mitigate risk and uncertainty, which is inevitable in any project. And then Kira Motors management in Uganda should take a cue from NIO's management structure. Well, check my video about electric car in Africa titled Electric Vehicle to Replace Petrol Auto in Africa by 2021. You will see it at the end of this clip. Okay, here comes the best part. Subscribe, like, and comment. Remember, the goal is to generate wealth, build companies, and create jobs. Bye now. See you soon.